death has pleaded guilty to manslaughter. She was one of two girls on trial for second-degree murder in this case. Her co-accused also tried to plead guilty to manslaughter at the start of the trial, but the Crown rejected her plea. Prosecutors allege she was the one who fatally stabbed Lee. Now, lawyers are going ahead and presenting closing submissions for her this afternoon. The court heard Lee died on December 18, 2022, after he was swarmed by a group and stabbed in a downtown Toronto parkette. In a video shown in court, the girl who pleaded guilty today can be seen hitting Lee with a traffic cone as he tries to fend off blows from others. Now, 8 girls in total were originally charged in connection with the 59-year-old's death. 3 girls pleaded guilty last year to manslaughter and 1 to assault with a weapon and assault causing bodily harm. A jury trial set for the remaining 2 accused in May. I'm Phil Martino.
680 News Time 307.
Tonight more snow is coming. In the offing, more snow. And don't disturb me tomorrow in the morning, okay?
I will.
No, you will not.
I will.
You're coming alone. More snow.
I'm going to talk to NDP voters.
You have madrasa today? You want me to drop you today, or your mom will drop you?
Mom is not gonna drop me.
I need to go to Freshco. You want me to buy anything for you?
Yeah.
What?
I'll tell you what to buy me.
No, don't just select things randomly. I don't like that. If you need something, that's another thing. If you don't, just say no. Yeah, I don't need anything. That's it.
No, I'm gonna tell you what to bring.
Because you don't have anything particularly in mind.
Yes, I do.
Oops. Okay. Stay there, I'm coming. Stay there, I'm coming. Okay. Yeah, thank you. More snow is coming tonight. The total duration from home to school is 4 minutes. I recorded everything. Okay? Okay, let me park at the left hand side.